Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Just wanted to do a quick startup of our 2018 Audi A6. This one came in with 112,000 miles, and it has a green title. This one's equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged engine, front-wheel drive, and it also has an upgraded S-Line package, which essentially is meant to bridge the gap between the base A6 and the Ultimate lineup, which is the S6 model. Often given better body aesthetics, in this case a better wheel, sometimes suspension tuning, so it throws some extras in there for you. But all around, a great vehicle experience, especially if you're in the market for something that's a great balance between sporty, comfort, luxury, and of course, with it having the 2-liter rather than the V6 motor, it's going to make it a little bit more fuel efficient if that is something you're after. Now, you're going to have a lot of trunk space, and I kind of really like the design. It's a really square, big opening, gives you a lot of additional storage space. Interior has a very similar feel to the rest of the Audis. It doesn't matter whether you start with the A3 or go all the way up to the A8. There's going to be a gorgeous interior, plenty of space, and a really well thought out cabin design, in my opinion, I should say. Yeah, I'm definitely a little bit biased towards the Audis. Not sure why, man. Just primarily, I would say gut feeling and drive experience, honestly. Heated exterior mirrors, power windows, power folding, memory seats, auto headlights, and again, a really easy ownership experience and a very intuitive infotainment system. Now, this one has a push to start button located right down here. Look at a beautiful pop-up display like so, with 112,000 miles. Oh, and of course you're gonna have a backup camera, and this vehicle does come with a sunroof. Folks, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Just wanted to do a quick startup. If you guys have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out. I will be more than happy to assist you guys. Thank you.